Why watching information on YouTube about homeopathy and taking medicines on your own may not work? Recently, I had a very weird experience in my practice that one of the patient came to me and I was like, okay, we are seeing his child and all. And suddenly he says, oh, I'm not in here for consultation. And he shows me one bottle. He says, I have seen this on YouTube and this medicine is going to help my child. So I specifically informed him that this is not how homeopathy works. But he said, I'm not interested in that. I want this bottle of medicine. So I said, we are not into dispensing pharmaceutical. So you can visit a pharmacy and get that medicine if you are interested. So the whole aim when you are treating your children on autism spectrum disorder, do not think on your own. Do not think that you can practice homeopathy by seeing videos on the YouTube and select the medicines and give it to your child. It may not harm the child as there are no side effects or adverse reactions, but at the same time, it is not advisable at all to give homeopathic medicines on your own. Another aspect which I am seeing very often on the internet is that miracle cures or curing autism. If we know autism, why it is happening, we don't know right now. And there are many people claiming out there that they can cure autism. So, when you are having a kid who is suffering from autism, be well informed about what is autism, what are the symptoms of autism, what and how therapies, early intervention, homeopathy, all these things are going to work. Homeopathy essentially is a very safe science, scientifically proved, and been here for more than 200 years. At Dr. Joshis Center for Autism, we have been practicing homeopathy for the last 25 years and 15 years in autism. We have seen some wonderful results with homeopathic medicines. But at the same time, one has to have patience. One should not expect that we give medicine for 1 month and something is going to happen and everything is going to be normal. The treatment is going to be a long run treatment, and improvements are mostly seen within the 1.5 months time. Some improvements are seen in children, but gradually the improvements are seen as per the developmental age of the child. So, when you give homeopathy, be informed that homeopathy is a safe science and go to a well qualified doctor or the doctor who is working in the space of autism along with homeopathy. That would be more beneficial. I'm not saying at the same time that other homeopaths cannot see autism cases, but why I'm saying this, autism is more time demanding and time consuming. We have to spend a lot of time with the child to understand the history, his behavior, his expressions, and then formulate the form of treatment, the line of treatment, and select the medicines for the child. So, be well informed about autism. As Dr. Joshis Center for Autism works on a major scale in creating awareness about autism, why awareness is important in parents, why it is important in schools to know about autism, what it means to be inclusive, what it means to be an inclusive society. Only by talking inclusivity, it's not going to make any change. We have to work to make the society inclusive. So, Dr. Joshi's Center for Autism works in this area. So, taking the responsibility of making people aware about what is autism so that we can take the right decisions and we can make the positive impact in kids who are suffering from autism. Thank you.